Hello everyone. BitSet 2026 Session 1 is officially in the books. Looking at the analysis from April 15th and 16th, one thing is clear. The paper was balanced but tricky. While maths was easier than JEE Mains, it's a race against time. If you felt Shift 2 on the 15th or 16th was tough because of chemistry or lengthy calculus, you aren't alone. Let's break down exactly what happened so you can dominate the upcoming Session 2 that is scheduled in May 24th and 25th. In physics, we saw a heavy lean towards work energy power, 7 questions in some shifts, and mechanics. It's 40% theoretical, so don't just solve numericals, read the NCERT lines. For chemistry, the big surprise was the inclusion of deleted chapters like polymers and chemistry in everyday life. In session 2, do not skip these easy chapters. S and P block elements are carrying massive weightage and physical chemistry is dominating over organic chemistry. Make NCERT your Bible for the next 4 weeks. Maths is where most students lose their 300 plus score. It's moderate but very lengthy. Probability 6 questions, linear programming are the silent killers. For session 2, practice solving 40 questions in 45 minutes. Now for the game changer, English and logical reasoning. These were easy in every single shift. If you aren't finishing these in under 15 minutes, you are wasting the time. So, what's the plan for me? Maths, you need to master probability, vectors, and LPP. For physics, you need to master and revise heat, thermodynamics, and work power. For chemistry, reread deleted NCERT topics and the inorganic blocks. Mock test. Take at least 5 full-length mocks focusing on the bonus question strategy. You only get them if you finish 130 questions. So speed is everything. Session 1 was the warm-up, isn't it? Session 2 is where you get your dream campus. What was your biggest struggle in April? Tell me in the comments and let's fix it together. If you find this particular video helpful, do subscribe the channel and yes, all the very best.